natin guys. Ayan, magka tayo ng roses. Ilagay ko dyan kasi ilagay ko doon. Ayan, magka tayo ng roses guys. Ayan ating ikat. Magka tayo ng roses. Ito na lang. Saan kasi ito? Some flower here. So here, Coco make a flower. I wanna get some. Pero my flower. So I wanna get some white color. I'm gonna get some white, and then yeah, I'm gonna get some white. Then have over there too. Look, this as a flower a lot here. So this one I will some roses. I don't want to get the one. This is the orange one, and this is the pink one. Yeah, but this one is pretty. A burgundy. Yan. So kukuha tayo doon, guys. Kuha tayo ng ano. Here. Kuha tayo ng flower. Ating flower. Arrangement. Yan. 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 This ang ating flower arrangement. Galing sa ating garden. Ang isa. Atin ang dadalhin ang ating flower sa loob ng bahay. Ayan. Lagay ko dito guys. Ito kaya ito ilagay. Yan ang ating flower. Guys. Dito ko ilagay. Ganda. Ganda na flower. Hi beautiful.
Can I make my hair pink?
No. Ayan, dito natin ilagay ang ating flower. So, ilagay guys. Natin ang ating flower. Diyan na ilagay ang ating flower guys. Yan. Natin dadalhin sa itaas. Yan. Natin ilagay sa itaas guys. Ating flower. Dito natin ilagay guys. Oh. Yan ang ating flower. Dito natin ilagay. Natin pa flowers guys yan. Diyan natin ilagay.